What's up, guys? It's Dan from Daily here on a beautiful October afternoon. Fall is among us. Summer went by super quick. We got a lot of projects done, super busy, which is why we could always use the extra help around here. If you remember last year, we had our seasonal associate, Michael, helping us out, but he had to go back to the hospital or something like that, but we miss him. But anyway, gave us a great referral, which is why I want to introduce you guys to our new coworker, Jason. 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 Yeah, he does that sometimes. I don't know. What was I? So yeah, we've been super busy, but no better time than now, guys, to get your home renovation needs taken care of. Whether it's windows, doors, cabinetry, lead times are picking up, and it's the best time to get your home renovation done before the holiday season.
Here at Daily Manufacturing, we pride ourselves on our excellent customer service and craftsmanship. We only employ the best of the best when it comes to not only your buying experience, but throughout your entire renovation. Whether it is a few windows or a brand new kitchen, we want to treat you like family. Get in touch with us now, or else. Contact us online, by phone, or stop into our showroom.